Congratulations! Now we finished the basics of additions and subtractions. I hope you all understood how to add and subtract the numbers efficiently. Now it is time for us to start multiplying the numbers. Now for this, I'll be using a Vedic mathematics trick called Urdhva Triyak Bayam, which actually means multiply in upward and then perform a cross multiplication. Now what exactly it is, I will show you with the algorithm. Now, here first we'll deal with multiplying two two-digit numbers and then two three-digit numbers, and we'll combine and see how to multiply when there is a two-digit number as well as three-digit number. So let's proceed. If you observe the algorithm which is here, it consists of certain dots and columns. And we have step 1, step 2, step 3 from right to left. Now, the dots in the algorithm represent the digits of the numbers what we use. And the lines represent which two digits we are multiplying. So let us understand this with a simple example. Now, if I take two numbers, that is 32 and 23. Now, like I told you in the beginning, I wrote them in vertical form, 32, below that 23. Now, if I want to multiply, observe the step number 1. First, we are multiplying the column number 1, that is here, 2 into 3, we should get 6. And then we shall multiply both the columns in the second step. But what we are doing is cross multiplication. That is, we multiply 3 with 3, that is 9. We'll multiply 2 with 2, that is 4. And 9 plus 4 is 13. But wait, I cannot write 13 here, write only 3. Remember, always drop one digit at a time. So what happens, we will have a carry here, that is 1. In the final step, we are multiplying the second column, that is 3 into 2, 6, plus 1 carry, so that is 736. And that should be our answer. Let us take another example. What if I take 42 into, let's say, 35, right? Now, let's apply the algorithm. First step, multiply first column from right hand side. So we'll multiply 2 into 5, which is 10. What do? We drop 0 because we always drop one digit and 1 is carry for the next step. And in the second step, we are cross multiplying both the columns. So 4 into 5 is 20, 2 into 3 is 6. 20 plus 6, 26. And then we have 1 carry, that is 27. So we'll take 7 here and we'll take 2 as carry for the next step. And in the third step, again, we are multiplying only the second column. In this case, 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2 should give us 14. 1472 is our answer. Let us take another example. What if I take, let's say, 67 into 34. Let us multiply them. First step, 7 into 4, 28. We take 8 here and then 2 carry. Next step, cross multiplication. 6 into 4 is 24. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 24 should give us 45 and 2 carry. 45 plus 2 is 47 and 4 carry. The last step, second column, 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 4 should give us 22. 2278 is my final answer. Now what if there is a decimal point? Nothing to worry. Suppose if I have a decimal here, 6.7 into 34. What do? After a decimal point, there is one digit. So in the final answer also, we should have one digit after the decimal point, that is here. Now let us say, in this case, I'll make it 4.2, I'll make it 3.5. So if you see, after the decimal point, one digit, after the decimal point, one digit. So altogether, after the decimal point, there should be two digits. So in the final answer, if we put decimal point here, that should become 14.70. We are having two digits after the decimal point. So I hope I'm clear with multiplication of two two-digit numbers. In 2-digit multiplication, we had 3 steps. What about 3-digit multiplication? If you look at this algorithm now, we have 5 steps. 2 extra steps compared to 2-digit multiplication. Now, let us understand the algorithm first. Just like in the previous case, again, we will start from the right hand side here as well. The first step, we will multiply only the first column. And then, in the second step, we'll multiply the first column and the second column, make sure it is a cross multiplication. In the third step, we will cross multiply all the columns. In the fourth step, we leave the first column, but we'll multiply second and third columns, again cross multiplication. Now, in the fifth step, we are multiplying only the last column. So, if you see the pattern here, in the previous case, 1 column, 2 columns and 1 column. Now in this case, we are multiplying 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 2 columns and then 1 column. If you understand the pattern, you can easily paste this algorithm on your brains. So you need not to worry much about whether I can remember the algorithm or not. Now, let me explain the algorithm with a simple example. Now let me initially take simple numbers. If I take 321 into 232, let us not complicate in the beginning, okay? So let us multiply both of them. We should get, in the first step, first column, that is 1 into 2, 2. Second step, first column and second column, cross multiplication, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. Third step, we'll multiply all the 3 columns, that is 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6. That is 6 plus 2, 8, plus 6 should give us 14. So I'll write 4 here, 1 carry. We are done with 3 steps. Now, fourth step will multiply only second and third column. Cross multiplication. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 9 plus 4, 13. Plus 1 carry. That should be 14. I'll write 4 here, again 1 carry. In the final step, last column, 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. If you see a 5-digit answer within a single step. Let us slightly increase the level of the numbers. Suppose if I take 235 into 462. Let us multiply. Same method. First step, first column, 5 into 2, 10, 0, 1 carry. Next, 2 columns, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 5, 30. 36 plus 1 carry, 37, 3. Third step, careful, all the 3 columns. Now, 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Not yet done. Middle column. 3 into 6, 18. 24 plus 18 should give us 42. 42 plus 3, that is 45. I'll write 5 here and I'll take 4 here. And then the fourth step, second column and third column. 2 into 6, 12. 4 into 3, 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 4, 28. 8 here and 2 carry. Last step, 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. A 6-digit answer in a single step. Let us take one more example. Yes, of course. If I take 853 into 874, let us multiply this number. Let me slightly increase the speed this time. So I hope you're understanding this. So because of that reason, I'm trying to increase the speed so that you can adapt with the speed here. Now, first step, 3 into 4 is 12. I'll write 2 here, 1 carry. Second step, 20, 7 into 3, 21. 41 plus 1, 42. 2 here, 4 here. Third step, 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 3, 24. 32 plus 24 should give us 56. Now 56 plus 7 into 5, 35. 56 plus 35 should give us 91. 91 plus 4 is 95. I'll write 5 here and I'll take 9 here. Now, the fourth step, 8 into 7, 56, 8 into 5, 40. 40 plus 56 is 96 plus 9. That should give us 105. Careful, 105. We drop 5 here and we will take 10 carry. Last step, 8 8s are 64 plus 10. 64 plus 10 should give us 74. Well, complicated numbers. But solution was not complicated, much easier compared to our traditional method. So again, if we have decimal points here as well, let us say I have a decimal point here and I have a decimal point here. What happens? After decimal point 1 digit, after decimal point 2 digits. So altogether after decimal point we should have 3 digits. So I'll put my decimal point here and that should be my answer. Now what if I combine a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number? That is, let's say 23 into 562. What can I do? Nothing much, pretty simple. I'll take 562 into 23 and I'll put 0 here. Now do not write 230 because that is not 23, that is 230. So if there is a 2-digit number with the 3-digit number, use one extra 0. So what happens here? Now if you take first step, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18 and 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. I'll write 2 here and 2 carry. Again 15, 0, 12, 27 plus 2, 29, 2. Fourth step, 10, 0 plus 2, 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 5 into 0, 0. I'll put 1. 12926 is my final answer. So this is how you multiply 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So you might be thinking now, how about 4-digit numbers? Well, I will leave it to you. Can it be done? Yes, of course. Just look at the pattern. In the 2-digit multiplication, we had first column, second column, third column. That is 1, 2, 1. 1 column, 2 columns, 1 column. In 3-digit multiplication, we have 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, again 2 columns, 1 column. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now think about what will be the pattern for 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will be a 7-step answer. Now you consider it as an assessment and try it out. Now if you don't get it, you can always ask in the comment section and we will definitely help you with the solution. Great. Now we successfully finished 2-digit multiplication as well as 3-digit multiplication. Well, there might be a question popping in your brains now. You might be thinking, Mr. Varma, as you said in the beginning of the video, after this session, can we really multiply the numbers in 5 seconds and 7 seconds? Well, my answer is no, not possible at all. But why? You heard me completely. But still it's not possible because just by attending the session, you cannot increase your speed. I can just show you the way to increase your speed. Now, it all depends on your self-practice. You use them every day, obviously your speed will definitely increase. But if you just listen to the class and you leave it there, no, it's never gonna increase. Rather, you feel that your conventional method is much better than this method when you try these examples on your own. That's the very common mistake done by most of the students. So how you can improve? My simple suggestion is every day 10 examples of 2-digit and 10 examples of 3-digit multiplication. Do it for a week and then you see. As I told you about the speed in the beginning of the video, that will definitely come true. To watch more free videos, download our LOL application from Play Stores. If you are benefited by these videos, please like and share our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of our new videos that we upload regularly. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you want to reach out to me or any of my team members, you can always do that through any of the social media platforms, and the links of which are already provided in the description below.